Hey, what's up, Aaron here? Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this right now, maybe you're checking out Cash4Minutes, and maybe you're wondering, can you get paid just for making phone calls? All right, let's find out whether this is a good way for you to make money online, or maybe there are better ways out there, right? Anytime you want to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, just click the link below, and I'll share my favorite strategy with you. Now, on this channel, I have reviewed literally hundreds and hundreds of different ways to make money online. I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly. So let's find out if Cash4Minutes is the good or the ugly. Is this a good way for you to spend time online and make some extra money? Okay. Now, Cash4Minutes is a really interesting website. I've reviewed so many different websites, apps, business models, strategies, and this one is basically all about calling. You can see right here in the FAQ, right? So all you're doing is you're gonna call some numbers that they've given you that they've displayed, and you can use your mobile or fixed line, right? And you're gonna be able to have some free minutes as part of your calling plan, right? Everybody has some free minutes on their calling plan, and what happens is when you call their specific numbers, all you do is listen to a selected radio broadcast. So you literally just call the number, you don't really do anything, you listen to it. There'll be this free radio broadcast, and in exchange they will pay you a certain rate per minute for you just listening to the radio broadcast. I know it sounds a little bit weird, okay? So the big question is how do they make money, right? Because that's important as well, right? So how does Cash4Minutes generate as revenue, okay? So what they say here is our revenue comes from the phone calls generated by you via your phone company. And all you need to do is listen to the radio stations which we stream in order to earn units, okay? Please note that we are only able to play out on funds which we've successfully received from your phone company. Sounds a bit weird, right? So you call these numbers, and hopefully, and we'll talk about exactly how you can make sure you don't lose your pants on this, right? Because you got free minutes, but not everything is free all the time. But it is a bit of a strange business model. I've reviewed a lot of different business models online. This one is a bit of a weird one, all right? Now, here are a couple of things that I just want you to take note of. I've been doing this for a long time. I've reviewed many different channels and websites and apps and things like that. And the first thing that I always look out for is to see whether the website looks legitimate. Okay, now if you come to Cash4Minutes, right, and you go down to the bottom, there's no privacy policy, there's no information, there's no contact, there's nothing. Right? Which is a bit odd, okay? That doesn't mean that this is not a legitimate website. It's just a little bit odd, right? So it's a small red flag because usually most legitimate websites will have the terms, the policy, the contact information on the bottom. This one doesn't, even though it's been operating for quite many years. I've actually reviewed this one before, okay? So that for me is a bit odd, right? Another thing that's a little bit odd is, let me just show you, okay? All right, so how much do you actually get paid? And the thing is that they don't actually give you a threshold, all right? So they say that there is a threshold for you to make money. How will I get my reward? Okay. Once you've reached the threshold of minutes required, we'll process the amount due to you by the following working day, but we endeavor to process your payment ASAP, okay? Now, here's a strange thing. They don't actually tell you what the threshold is. Now, most other, make money online websites, they usually will tell you the threshold. It'll be like $1, $5, $10, so you know what you're aiming for. But with these guys, they don't give you a threshold at all, which I find very strange, right? So you're kind of like shooting in the dark. You're basically just trusting them, and you're going to call these numbers, and hopefully, you keep your fingers crossed that they will actually pay you out when it's time, all right? Which I think is a bit weird. Now, when you log in, you can see that they've got all sorts of different numbers right here. Afghanistan, Albania, you can see Albania pays 9 cents per minute. So if you call these Albanian numbers, and you don't have to be based in Albania to call the Albanian number, you can be based anywhere, right? The one in Afghanistan pays 5 cents per minute. Okay, so it's not a ton of money, but the thing is that if your call plan allows you to call international to some of these countries, then it could be worth doing this. But here's the problem. Most call plans don't really allow you to call international, right? Unless you're based in these countries specifically. So it might be a little bit tricky for you to actually make that money, right? So Algeria, for example, if you're based in Algeria, then this may work, right? But if you're not based in Algeria and you call this number and you don't have free minutes to call Algeria from your country, then you're going to rack up international call, call costs, and you're gonna have to pay for that. So just be very careful. I highly recommend that if you want to do this, you check your call plans and make sure that you can call international for some of these countries that they've laid out here, okay? And there's a lot of countries. It's pretty much international. There's Zimbabwe, you can see here, right? So all sorts of different countries: Vietnam, Yemen, all right? And they don't pay that much per minute. So again, this is something that you have to decide whether it's worth your time to do or not, right? Now, in terms of the payout, they do pay out through PayPal, bank transfer, Bitcoin, and you can donate to a charity, right? But there's a couple of things here, that, again, it's a bit odd, right? So first of all, you have to go and check your your telco and find out what plan you're on. Can you really call international numbers without being charged international calling fees? Okay, is it worth your time to call and listen to broadcasts when the payout rate is quite low? It's not super high, right? It's like 1 cent, 2 cents, 3 cents, 4 cents per minute. You're just gonna have to leave your phone running, and then you don't know what the threshold is, right, on when they're actually going to pay you out, and there's no contact information for this particular company. So there's a few red flags here, a lot of question marks. I've been doing this for a long time, and even if this was legit, this is probably not a great way for you to make a lot of money online, because I mean, it's literally like 3 cents per minute. It's very, very little income, right? So you can give this a shot if you want. I would just be careful, make sure you check your call plan, right? But I think there are better ways to make money online out there. I've also seen a couple of reviews where people have said that they weren't able to withdraw. They didn't actually make any money from this. Again, take it with a pinch of salt, but there have been some reviews that they weren't so great, all right? So if you want to check this out, cash4minutes.com. Again, I don't think that this is a super high paying way. Even if it's free and it's global, which is cool, right? You're making super duper little money. It's like pennies on the dollar for the time that you're spending, even though you're just calling for free and you're kind of letting it run. It's still very, very little money, okay? So I think that if you're going to if you're here to make money, you should definitely leverage strategies where you're generating a lot more income for the amount of time that you're spending on that particular strategy. But if you want to check these guys out, cash4minutes.com. All right. Now, if you're here watching this video right now, maybe you're looking for a way to generate more income online. On this channel, if this is the first time you're here, I have reviewed hundreds and hundreds of different strategies. All right. I've tested a lot of them. I put in my own money, and out of a lot of them, there was one that I used to completely change my life. I used it to quit my full-time job. I actually make 5 times what I used to in my old corporate career, and I do this 100% online from home, and anybody can do this, even if you're a beginner. So if you're interested in making big income online, especially if you're willing to put in the work and learn the strategy, I've got a masterclass where I document this process step by step, and you can get access to that for free just by clicking the link right below this video. I wish you all the best. I hope you enjoyed this review of Cash4Minutes, and I'll see you in the next one.